Welcome to a Final Cut Pro random tip. Let's get fucking straight into it. Too many videos ramble on too long. Basically, doing a video here where I've got a spider in my mouth coming in my face. Rendering time. How do you do a super fast rendering time Final Cut Pro? Click on this little arrow here on the right of the screen. Click on that, and I'm going to do 1080p, whatever you want, whatever quality. I'm going to do 1080p, and that's going to save it to iTunes. And you can create your little text in here, blah blah blah. You can change it. It's a spider prank video. What you do, go to settings. Instead of faster encode, you can have better quality. If you want to go better quality, it's going to take a lot longer. So we want to stick on faster encode. You can't tell the difference. I can't tell the difference. Send it to the meg file, and then boom, share. That's going to go. Look at this rendering time here. Look at that. That's fucking turbo. That's on steroids. That's GSP steroids. That's going on the full gas. So look at that. Rendering time almost non-existent now. And then 100% done. And then we're going to go to iTunes and we'll find it in there. Spider prank. And then I can just upload that straight to YouTube. I can sign into my YouTube account. Click here. And then I'll go straight to movies, iTunes, and have a look through. And here we are here. This one here, spider prank. Done deal, and that's how you do it. Easy done. Thanks for commenting. Thanks for your question. I'll see you next video. Go vegan. Carb the fuck up.